Okay, let's do an unboxing. Baby, don't get out my motherfucker. We're gonna do an unboxing here. And if I do an unboxing, that means I gotta have, you know what I'm saying, the cigar pipe lit. So let's do it. Let's do it. So we have a new character at the Graffiti Jungle. Got some spicy Fieras. These are better than Takis. I'll fight you about that. I said what I said and I meant that. With every soul and fiber. So, we got a new character. And of course, we got some beef ravioli. Yeah, we got some beef ravioli. So I want to introduce you to the new character at the Graffiti Jungle. He's going in a toy duffel bag. Before I introduce him, gotta get a bowl. Load up real quick. Because we need a warm welcome. Let's give a round of applause. Shorty, make that ass clap. I need all the bitches twerking. He coming out. You know I keep that thing on me. He got a book bag. Are y'all ready? He got that thing on him. Are you ready? Captain. He got Yeezy boots on. Stop playing with him. He got the Yeezy 500 tactical boots. Stop playing with him. He got a Tommy Hilfiger book bag. And the outfit, I know you see camo, but that's Ralph Lauren Polo.